What's up guys, welcome to behradsays. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to rebuild your coilover in 5 minutes. All right, so this is a front coilover, a BC BR series off of my S13. This was in a wheel-to-wheel accident where basically it had so much force at the top that it ended up snapping our shaft right here at the top where our camber plate goes. Now, the nice thing about BC is that they actually sell every part that you need to rebuild your entire coilover. So I went ahead and I ordered a brand new shock body or a damper right from their website. I also got a new dust boot, a new bump stop, 2 of the plastic retainers for the spring. Aside from that, I have a little bit of like purple power, some sort of degreaser, a little bit of ATF as a lubricant that we're gonna use, and some basic tools, some gloves, a little soft plastic brush to clean things with, and we're ready to get started. All right guys, now that everything is disassembled from the last coil, we're gonna go ahead and clean all this stuff because it's all pretty grimy. So a little bit of degreaser and purple power. I'm gonna spray this stuff down, brush it, wipe it, and then we're ready to assemble onto the new shock body. All right guys, all the parts are clean, and I mean, you know, as clean as they're gonna get for being 5-year-old coilovers. So we're ready to go ahead and start assembling onto our new shock body. So basically we're gonna just do the reverse order of what we just did. All right, and I forgot to clean the spring earlier, but I just hit it with the same thing, a little purple power, wiped it down, and we're ready to put this on. There you have it guys, coilover is fully rebuilt. We have a brand new shock, new bump stop, new dust boot, and some new plastic retainers. This thing's ready to go. If you have a broken coilover, you can do this. This is not too hard, all right? If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Make sure to like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.